Understanding RAM and ROM. Imagine your brain has two types of memory, just like a computer. First, there's RAM, which stands for random access memory. Think of RAM as your brain's short-term memory. It's super fast, and it holds the things you're working on right now. So, if you're doing a math problem, RAM is where you keep the numbers and the steps in your head while you solve it. You use it to think about what you are doing in the moment. But, as soon as you're done, or if you get distracted, that information disappears. And just like your brain forgets things when you go to sleep, RAM loses all its data when the computer is turned off. It's temporary. The more RAM you have, the more things you can think about and do at once, like juggling more tasks without getting confused. For example, when you play a video game, the game uses RAM to keep track of where all the characters are, what they are doing, and how much health they have. All of that needs to be remembered quickly, so the game can run smoothly. If you switch to a different game or turn off the computer, that information is cleared from RAM. Then, there's ROM, which stands for read-only memory. Think of ROM as the brain's permanent memory, like the stuff you remember forever, like your name, your address, or how to ride a bike. ROM stores instructions that the computer needs to start up and work properly. It's like the basic rules of how your brain works, or the essential knowledge you can't forget. This memory can't be easily changed or erased, and it stays there even when the computer is turned off. It's permanent, and it's always there, ready to go. For example, ROM contains the instructions that tell the computer how to turn on, check all its parts, and start loading the operating system, like Windows or Mac OS. It's like the computer's built-in starting manual. These instructions are crucial, and they don't change, so they are stored in ROM. So, in short, RAM is for things you're doing now, and it's temporary. The more RAM you have, the more you can do at once. ROM is for important, unchanging instructions that the computer always needs, and it's permanent. They work together to help the computer, and your brain, do all sorts of amazing things. RAM lets you multitask and work quickly, while ROM makes sure the computer always knows how to get started and function at its most basic level. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.